The Casio G SHOCK DW5600BB is a beautiful watch with its minimal design and black-on-black color scheme. In this video I'm going to replace the battery in my 3-year-old Casio G SHOCK DW5600BB. I am using iFixit Essential Electronics Toolkit to do this. Remove the 4 screws and remove the back cover. Now remove the rubber cover carefully. Now peel off the battery seal. Now you need to unlock the battery. The new battery needs to be CR2016-3V. Always check the best before date before replacing. Lock the new battery in. Contact the AC using metal tweezers to reset the watch. Reapply the battery seal. Give the watch grooves a clean using a cotton bud. Now insert the O-ring carefully. Attach the rubber cover. Attach the back lid and tighten the screws. Unflip the watch strap. The DW5600BB is a great looking watch. Without all the bulkiness. The negative display looks really good. The price compared to other G SHOCK watches is worth it. Thank you for watching.